Hi everyone, my name is Viberlin M. Sotinitigan and I am tasked to report about online quizzes and digital assessment tools. So since one of my group mates are done about utilizing educational technology, and now let's move on to the online quizzes and digital assessment tools. We all know that in today's digital age, online quizzes and digital assessment tools have revolutionized the way we assess student learning. Online quizzes and digital assessment tools are specific types of online assessment tools that focus on evaluating the knowledge and understanding through question based assessment. So, wait. Online assessment and yes, the digital tools are technologies, of course. This also used to evaluate and measures a student or participants the knowledge, skills, and abilities in online or in the digital environment. So these tools have gained popularity, especially in educational institution, training organization, sca- scalability, and ability to provide the immediate feedback. So it gives the immediate feedback. So yes, for instant feedback to student, allowing them to track their progress and identify areas for improvement. So they provide flexibility and convenience for student that can take quizzes at their own pace and from any location with internet access. So the best example of this one is the Google Form. So it gives flexibility, like convenience na lang sa student to take quiz, especially kung Google Forms dili na nato kailangan pa mo adto sa schools to take the exam. All we need kay ko ano lang all we need is internet access. Like pwede ra gid ta mo take bisan asa-asa lang basta nalay internet. So inana siya ka gamit. So now let's move on to kanang like the some example of online quizzes and digital assessment tools. So we have here the Google Form, Kahoot, the Quizlet, the quizzes, the Moodle, Blackboard, Edmodo, Socrative, Mentimeter, or the and lastly is the exam so dili lang ni siya mao ha daghan pang mga digital tools but mao lang ni siyang akong gina-appeal. So, to continue, Google Form. So, let's start for the Google Form. We're in like, kabaw na gitani, what's Google Form? So, Google Form allows you to create and distribute customized quizzes with various question types, including the multiple choice rather, short answers, and more. It provides also automatic grading and data collection features. So, 'di ba after ta like kabaw naman ta no like intaking pag mo take ta og kanang Google Form kabaw naman ta na after ta mo take sa Google Form mogawas na ang like ang scores na dayon. So um makabaw na gid ta kung asa ta dapitan na wrong. So like pwede na to siya i-check para bitaw like wait for a minute. Para bitaw makahibaw ta asa ta nasayop. So easy na lang kaysa tuwa like para isakto bitaw like to study para makita ang progress. Sinana siya for the Google Form. So a Google Form also kay mo ni siya like it stated it is a tools that allows you to create customized survey and quizzes. Like for example, sad a teacher might use Google forms to create multiple choice like sa katong giingon nga example about like history lesson baron. So the question could range from who is the first president of the Philippines. So ingon na siya. So Google Forms will then automatically grade the quizzes and collect the data for the teachers to review. So magawas na dayon ng score after. So next we have the Kahoot. Kahoot is a game-based learning platforms that enables users to create interactive quizzes, surveys, and discussion. In this platforms, participants can join quizzes using their device, making it suitable for classroom settings or remote learning. So, as it stated, it is a game-based learning platform. So, for instance, um, a company might use this one, like the Kahoot platform. Pag na lang, for example, team building exercise. So, um they could create about the company history and have the employees to compete against each other in real time. Pwede nila to answering question on their device and ma-automatic lang po na siya og-detect kung kinsa tong naka-answer og sakto, yun na siya. So that's an example of that one. Next, we have the Quizlet. So Quizlet provides a platform for creating interactive flashcards, quizzes, and study sets. So it offers various study modes, including matching, games, and practice tests to help users review and assess their knowledge. So Quizlet allows users to create like the flashcards, the quizzes, and study sets. So man siya. Like an example of this one kay a student studying for like shall we say Spanish test. So of course Quizlets like mag-create na siya og flashcards dito with Spanish vocabulary words. So they can then use the Quizlet as a study mode to review to test their knowledge. So yun na siya. So Quizlet kay very familiar man lang na sa to ano since like kung mag-search kag question dito sa Google. Like, nay manggawas ani nga Quizlet wherein you can try to answer manggawas yang mga kanang related question nga like connected ra sa imong search word and pwede ka makatry og answer dito. Like, automatic mabaw-an na pud nimo og sayop ba ka, sakto ba ka, yun na ang Quizlet. So quizzes, next is the quizzes. So quizzes is a gamified assessment platforms that allows users to create and play quizzes. So quizzes also offers a fun and competitive learning experiences with features like leaderboards, memes, and customized avatar. So ang quizzes wherein pwede mo mag-ilis-ilis, mag-customize mo inyuha nga avatar. So it is like it stated, it is a fun and competitive learning experiences. So, pwede ni siya gamiton sa teachers ang quizzes, pwede siya or example maghimo siya og math quiz for the student. So, the student can then play the quiz at their own like um pace and the teachers can track the progress and the scores of their student. Ganun siya. Lingaw na siya duwaon tingali na lingaw taning ini nga platform. Kay murag competition siya. Paunhanay mo kinsay nauna. Like ma-track ra pud sa teachers. Next, we have the Moodle. So, Moodle provides features for creating and managing quizzes, assignments, and assessment within a comprehensive online learning environment. So, Moodle kay and it stated it is managing quizzes, so it is a learning management systems that allows teachers to create and manage online courses. So, for example, Like the university professors might like yes, pwede ni gamiton sa mga university professors. Wait for a minute. So, for instance, university professors no, so they can lectures or create assignment. Pwede sila mag-assignment and quizzes and facilitates discussion all tanan nga discussion within the Moodle platform. So, more siya og like Google Meet. So, inano lang siya og kanang atake, Google Meet, wherein pwede ka dito mag-discuss, pwede ka mga klase, ito sa imong mga hatag sa imong discussion. So, next we have the Blackboard. So, Blackboard provides a range of question types and grading options. So, along with the integration capabilities with other educational tools. So, Blackboard Sky is another learning management system used by many educational institutions. So, for instance, a high school teacher ha, like for example, like, pwede ni gamiton niya ang blackboards to distribute and grade, yes, to distribute and grade homework assignments. Pwede niya dito i-post ang mga announcements and communicate with students and also the parents. Pwede ni siya kaninga digital tools. Pwede siya mohatag og mga instruction, pwede dito niya ma-communicate ang mga student, also ang iyahang like ang mga parents sa students. Nga si Blackboard. Next, we have the Edmodo. So, Edmodo is an educational platform that enables teachers to create quizzes and assessments, as well as to facilitate communication and collaboration. So, Edmodo is an educational platform, as it's stated in the screen, wherein um it facilitates the communication and also the collaboration between the teachers and the students. So a teachers could post pwede dire i-post niya ang mga homeworks, assignment, mag-conduct siya og polls and facilitates discussion. Also, they can track student progress with the built-in gradebook and analytic tools. So, easy access na kay sa iya no, easy na convenient jud kay sa teachers or also the student kay like dali ra kay ma-track sa kuan ang progress, dali ra kay ma-track sa teachers ang progress sa student kay naka-record na dito tanan. So next we have the Socrative. So Socrative is a real-time assessment tools that allows teachers to create quizzes, polls, and exit tickets. It also supports both formative and summative assessment and provides instant feedback to participants. So, kani si Socrative, mo ni siya, is a tools that allows teachers to create mo ni kaning quizzes, polls, and exit tickets. So, for example, so after sa kanang lesson nga iyang after sa lesson, yes, I mean again after sa discussion na lang. So after sa discussion, pwede niya didto um pwede ni niya gamiton. I mean maghimo yes, pwede niya siya after sa discussion, pwede siya mo gamit pwede mo gamit ang teachers ani mag-make siya og pool. Maghimo siya og pool if um para makita bitaw niya if the student understand the main concept sa iyahang discussion, if nakasabot ba ang mga student, pwede siya mo gama og pool para mo um fill up dito ang student kung like na ba dyan nasabtan ang isa ka student. So automatic makita din niya ang progress if naminaw ba ni nga student or wala. If na ba ni na learn ang student ani during the discussion. So, next we have the Mentimeter. So, Mentimeter is an interactive presentation tools that includes assessment features. It enables users to create quizzes, polls, and surveys that can be shared with participants in real time. So, interactive presentation again, wherein, yes, again, the quizzes, polls, and surveys were in participants in real time. So, a presenter could use Mentimeter during business presentation. Mostly ginagamit ang Mentimeter in business presentation to create poll asking for the audience opinion. So same bitaw sa like nahitabo na to during itay katong mental health na kuan, mental health na ano ba to katong dito ta sa gym. So that's an example katong di pa gisend nalay link na gihatag wherein maka-answer sa didto then ma-flash bitaw sa screen ang atong mga answers. So like somehow like that mag-make og poll wherein makakita and the audience pwede dayon like automatic mo flash sa screen ang ato ang mga answers. Ma-display didto. Makita ra mabasa. So, ExamSoft. ExamSoft is a secure assessment platform commonly used in a higher education and professional certification program. So, an ExamSoft offers features for creating and administering exams, including multiple choice, essay, and performance-based assessment. So, like it is stated, it is a platform used for creating and administering exams. So, for example, a student, so in nursing certification program lang, might use this one to create a comprehensive exam for nursing students. So, the exam could include multiple choice, essay questions, and performance based assessment. So move on. So when selecting in online, so I think that would be all. Ato lang siyang mga example nga akong mag-give, like 10 example lang akong give. So after that, so this I mean yes, this one. So when selecting an online quiz or digital assessment tools, we must have to first consider the factors such as the available question types, kung ease to use for both creators and participants, like data analysis and reporting capabilities, integration, options with other system, and security measures to protect the integrity of the assessment. So I think that would be all, and thank you for listening.